Let me show you how to generate such letter image on the occasion of 15 August Independence Day by describing detailed prompt using Image Creator from Microsoft Designer. Open Image Creator from Microsoft Designer in your browser. Describe the prompt here. Prompt is displayed as well as provided in description. After describing detailed prompt, click on Create. Here are some results. You can download image from here. Now we will change letter from I to N in prompt. Click on Create. Here are some results with letter N. Now we will change letter from N to D in prompt. Click on Create. Here are some results with letter D. Change the letter from D to A. Click on Create. Here are some results with letter A. That's it for today. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel and let me know in comments. Also, don't forget to check out my other AI generative tutorials. Thank you.